We are Alin Tagar strategy student. We are Group B. My name is Alin. These are my classmates.
Hi, my name is Tagar. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Alin. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Johnny. Nice to meet you.
Today, we are going to give a presentation about our group collage. Our group collage is about our favorite things and people. There are 4 sections in our group collage. The first section is about our favorite singer. The second section is about our favorite bands. And the third section is about our favorite friends. The last section is about our favorite actors. So, let's go to the first section. This is our favorite pop singer. Do you know who he is? His name is Victor. He's a pop singer from Tagar in Myanmar. He's Burmese. He's also director, English teacher, and actor. He's composed and sang many English songs like Never Leave You Again. His voice is so soothing and sweet. He's our favorite pop singer all the time. Moreover, his 2 films are famous these days. He directed Count Dracula in 2023 and Stars to the Lightning Door in 2025. I think he's a talented person.
Let's go to the second session, which is about bands. This is TV girl bands, which is very famous. This band is from California in the USA. There are 3 core members in TV girl bands. We think their songs are amazing. We love them. I like listening to the lava rock song in my free time.
The third section is about Harry Potter Friends. Harry Potter Friends is a series of 7 fantasy novels written by British author J.K. Rowling. Our favorite character is Harry Potter. Harry Potter Friends is so amazing. It is the best friend we ever seen. I like to watch Harry Potter Friends again and again in my free time.
Okay, we are coming to the next session now. Look at this photo. This is our favorite Burmese actor. His name is Nito. He's a Rakhine film actor from Myanmar. He's 44 years old now. He's in Bonito movie. He's good at acting. He has so many Film Academy awards. He's so handsome and he's our favorite Burmese actor all the time. Well, that's the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for paying attention to us. Have you got any questions? Please fire it away. Okay, if you don't have questions, thank you very much. Bye. Bye.